favorite Melanin Mafia. It's your favorite Melanin Queen. Have sleep on them up. You guys, I asked my mom to cook. 10 o'clock in the morning. She's cooking dinner.
Cooking breakfast.
No, but the meat was thawing out yesterday, so she just got up this morning and started cooking. But so we're gonna do like a test run because she's considering making a YouTube of her cooking.
So I can teach y'all how to cook.
Cause she gets down. Like, what's my favorite food? My mama's cooking. Period.
I know that's right, boo-boo.
Mom. Oh, she calls me boo-boo too. I forgot. I don't know if I said that. But yeah, so I'm gonna flip the camera so y'all can see. I look cross-eyed. Why am I?
What you putting on it, Mama say? I ain't gonna tell. No, this ain't nothing but some lemon pepper.
Oh.
Lemon pepper.
Oh my goodness.
That's all that is. And I found some sweet potatoes, so I'm gonna make some yam. And I found some string beans, so I made a string bean casserole
in there.
And I found some macaroni and cheese, so I made some of that too.
And the baby crying in the background.
I know y'all usually bake your Cornish hen, but you can fry it too. It ain't nothing but little chickens. And they turn out so nice and tender. Just season them up the way you want to. And fry them bad boys. And eat them whenever you want to. Because it's yours. It's the breakfast of champions. Yes, it is. Alright, we're going to do some candy yams over here. I'm going to turn my stove back up to about medium. And we're going to be alright. I'll get these yams on. Put them in some cinnamon and sugar in a minute when they cool down.
I didn't even catch you making it. How did you make the biscuits?
I just popped the thing open and fried them.
Oh.
And they gotta cool off just for a few seconds. And then we can put them in some cinnamon sugar and charge $3.99 like young dumb ho do.
Oh, not young dumb ho.
Young dumb ho. That's what their name be. Young dumb ho.
Patty.
You know they name be that. That's it. We just waiting on.
It's the finished product. Yams, macaroni and cheese, Cornish hens, and just a little bread. Say hi, brother.
Oh, Mama. Oh, wait a minute, the face. Oh, hold on. Really, Trey? Hey, Woo. Hey, Woo.
So, brother, we're leaving the movie theater from seeing the movie Ma.
We're not doing
Tell me what you thought about the movie.
I thought we not go do this.
What did you think about the movie?
I'm not doing this.
You're not doing what? This is a post-movie review.
No, the fuck is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
What did you think about the movie?
it was a movie.
Oh.
It had like a beginning, and then like, what was the climax? And then like, it went from like the climax to being
You better sit down and pee in that potty. You. No, you. You. Sit down and pee in that potty. Hey, y'all. So, got my nephew back there. We on our way to go to my mom's place. She's in a play. It's like a Motown play or something like that. We are running late, and it's her fault. Because I had to drop her off, and then she forgot her earrings. I had to turn around and go back and pick her up, and then
come home and change and all that, and it's just foolishness. But yeah, we are running late, but we're on our way to her play to go and check her out. So I'll take y'all with me.
Momma.
Hey! Guys, I'm boarding the plane now. Headed back to